Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live.
Identity is what you gave to me. Change, man, I'm a living vessel of a deity. I realized I was the one that you were calling by name. I was down in the dumps, but you loved me the same. Wasn't merit, it was all by your grace. Called out, I thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, I give thanks to Yahweh.
Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live. Your word is my illumination, guiding me through life, showing me the revelation of your kind of life. A life of peace and joy I find in you. Blind seeing again, flame walking again. Holy Spirit within, I'm walking in your will. Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live. No one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing. The bond that we share cannot be severed. Never. You made that clear when you sent Yeshua. Oh, the depth of your love cannot be measured. The price you paid, Lord, no one can measure. Whoa, your life and nature, I got it. I got paid, love, I got it. No more striving, no worries. On the cross, Lord, you bore it for me. Set me free from all the burden. No more weight, now I'm sailing. In you, Lord, I'm winning. Whoa, no one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing. Me and you forever in every weather. My God, you're all that matters. So I will keep you centered. Oh, you are the song I sing. You are the fire in me. You and I, one body. Your life flows in me. Your life and nature, I got it. I got paid, love, I got it. No more striving, no worries. On the cross, Lord, you bore it for me. Set me free from all the burden. No more weight, now I'm sailing. In you, Lord, I'm winning. Whoa, whoa. can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing.
Everything that you've done,
everything that you've done, oh yeah, yeah. Everything that you've done, thing that you've done. My God, you are so good. For everything that you've done, where would I be if it wasn't for thee? For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything that you are, thing that you are.
Father, I love you for everything that you are.
All of my days I will worship and praise, King of the world. Your glory fills this place. Glory fills,
Glory fill,
King of the world. Your glory fills this place.
oh yeah.
Your glory fills, your
Glory fill,
King of the world. Your glory fills this place. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Glory, 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 King of glory, God Almighty. Glory, 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 King of glory, God Almighty. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Let's go one time, yeah.
let's go one time.
One time, oh yeah.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins. We was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am.
What's up, chat? Happy Wednesday, everybody. How you guys doing? Good morning. If you guys can drop some energies in the chat. What's up, Aryan Yap? How you doing? Let's see who's here. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. Let's go.
So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace Jade and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain, and any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God.
All right, what's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Shout out to 11 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Happy Wednesday.
To West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church. And I remember one day I seen her going to church. She's like, "You want to go to church with me?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And
Happy Wednesday, gang. How you guys doing? What's up, Aryan? How you doing? I'm blessed and highly favored. Blessed and highly favored. Doing good. Let's see who's here. Drop some energies in the chat, gang. You guys don't want to say hi, huh? Energy, yep. Master Jason in the building. How you doing? How's the funded, bro? How's the funded going? How's the funded, gang? Taking some withdrawals. All right, 4 hour going up again. Weekly, okay. So, chat, you guys ready? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready for the day. Let's see who's ready. All right, so let's start with this weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. We re-break the previous candle low yesterday, right? We moved down, but the problem here is, I believe, the daily. Yep. So the daily, as you can see, right? We always spoke about the candles close without any bottom wick. All right, so this is really, problem when the candle close without any top wick, no bottom wick. So the next candle, you're gonna expect that this candle gonna hover around here, right? As you can see, we're just hovering around on price, going up and then going up, going down, and then right now going up, close doji bullish. So yeah, I'm always, looking at the, if the candle is closed without any bottom wick, without any top wick, I'm always expect that the next current candle will, hover around, if we don't have any directions yet. Okay, so we close bullish on price. Doji, I would say, yeah, doji bullish. Coach, did you trades? Yeah, I took some trades. I'm just gonna show you later on. So we have support now, okay, and then we grab bottom wick. This is really nice. We tap the support and then grab orders here and the support. We're driving up. How many pips we move up today? I believe in Asian we're just ranging around. So we move around 190 pips. But the good thing here, we grab orders in the support, okay, after the support form. The bottom wick. This is good for the bottom wick already. Good bottom wick. And then right now, I would say if we have a lot of volume today, we're gonna move down. We're gonna move up like post CPI, right? Because the CPI yesterday, it's negative on dollars, right? So you're gonna expect that we're gonna move up. The gold will rise. But yesterday we moved down a little bit here, as you can see. This one, right? We moved down. I expect that because the 1 hour, so the 4 hours close, we're just still ranging here on the four, right? Resistance here, support, right? We always ranging here, but the 1 hour here closed below the range. So we, as you can see on the left hand side, we have clean traffic here, right? This is the clean traffic going down. And if we're gonna mark up the support, so we have support form here. This is the support, and as you can see, this 1 hour closed below the range. This 1 hour, right? Your resistance is up here on price, I would say. We stuck in the range still, right? But the problem here is we go back in the range. As you can see here, we have closure, right? I'm gonna delete this. So we have closure below, okay? That's the resistance and candle close below the range. This one. And then as you can see, we have moved big candles here. So expect volume, right? We expect volume and we go back in the range. Now, the problem here is we stuck in the range again. And right now, as you can see, we're heading towards to the upside. Once I see this re-break the high there or close above the range, yep, we're gonna move up, because the daily will tell you the story, right? The daily will tell you the story. We grab orders here. We grab the bottom wick. It's okay, right? The bottom wick, it's here. We have volume. We have volume. We're gonna push up, and then the weekly probably gonna close bullish, or yeah, because as you can see, we close bullish here on price, all right, above the range. So I'm gonna but if if we just gonna ranging here, I would say we're gonna move down, right? Because we need to grab orders on the monthly time frame here, minimum here, before we move up or see some directions. That how you gonna correlate with the higher time frame, the lower time frame, how the candles close. The candle always tells you the story. Where's the price gonna headed, right? So yep. um so we have closure here on 15. Okay, nice. So the my overall resistance is up here on price, right? Up here, right? But it's too far. Okay. I'm not gonna take buys yet, chat. I'm not gonna take buys. I'm gonna take buys above here, 3366 area. That's I'm gonna wait for, but I'm gonna look for more sells today, because we're stuck in the range and we have clean traffic towards to the downside here. So we're gonna take advantage on that. Okay, resistance here. hmm We have levels that have been made here on price. Okay, cool. Minor levels. We need to see closure there, close below the range for taking sell down, right? So yeah. So I took trades, but it's on after CPIs around 5 p.m. I believe. Yeah, I took sells there. I get 18 pips. Is some impulse here. Re-break the low here. So yeah, I keep my stops on on the high, the 5 minutes high. So because there's a lot of volume, in NY session, so I gonna take advantage on this move down. So yeah, got some dubs yesterday. All right, chat. So if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Shout out to 16 viewers. Make sure you drop some likes here. Nice, nice. Yeah, nice. It's nice. It's nice. Nice trade on NY. Yeah. We need to take advantage on the volume, right? So where I took those trades. Yeah, this trades. I got this trade. This one. So as you can see, we have a lot of rejections here, right? This probably rejection zone. And then the candle closed doji, and as you know that the setup, the impulse entry always looks like this. So once the candles look like this, I'm gonna wait for the top wick or hover around here, grab the orders. Even though the top wick is small, yeah, I probably gonna take the impulse on the re-break of the low and then grab that. That's That's the way we trade. Boom, boom, boom. 3 minutes for candle to close. Can we close below here? Can we close below? Below. Oh, this is good for on the 32. Right? See that? Re-break the high, but the stops gonna be big. Oh, 56 pip stops. Mm-hmm. Can I see on the broker? Yeah, the broker close. There's some. This levels is valid here. So yeah, in my broker it's close bearish. So I'm gonna respect this. I need to see closure below the range. Able for me to take sells there. Because it's close bearish. So support has been formed. Structure has been formed. 2 minutes, gang. 2 minutes for candle to close. Can we close bearish? Bearish below the range. Mm-mm. 1 hour flip. Okay, 1 hour flip for our struggle. Man. July and August. July and August. I would say not really good. Not really good price action. Range is ugly, yes, true that. July, man. July doesn't look good too. So July, yeah. See this candle just ranging around. August, we're just consolidating too. But yeah, it is what it. Oh, we're closing below the range. Can we close below the range? Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream and subs to the channel. Shout out to 22 viewers. What's up, everybody? If you guys have questions, drop it in the chat. 16 seconds. We're not gonna close below. If we close below, no bottom wick. Alright, no closure. Oh, 1 hour open. Okay. Pum, 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 pum. Mm. Chat, how many trades you took this week, this past 3 days? How many trades you took? Drop it in the chat. Six trades. Oh, nice. No bueno. How come no bueno, man? I took three trades. So nice. 4% this 3 day. Wow, man. 4%. 4%. W gang. 19 trades. Wow. Nice, nice. I only got one trade this week. When start Monday, yeah. Yesterday. Today, let's see. Yeah, probably gonna always look on the NY. Ooh, re-break the lows. See move, see volume. Do you even sleep? Do you even sleep? He's not sleeping. I'm in loss this week. I need the bueno. You need bueno, gang. You want bueno, literally bueno. Like risk management, there's time management. Yeah. Yup. We'll we will bueno today. Don't worry. Yeah, we will. We're gonna have some bueno today. We have volume. We have buenos today. Money management no more. Yeah. Ooh, 1 hour flip. How's the experience like in trading, gang? How's your feeling like if you're losing? How's your feeling when you're winning? Drop it in the chat. Masakit sa batok. No one wants to lose, but it's part of the game. Yeah, no emotion, no bueno. Yeah. Oh, it's wow, man. Volume. This 5 candles move. Yeah. So if you are in the losing, like for example, you took a trade and then suddenly you went to drawdown and you need to manage the risk there. Otherwise, bro, you're gonna be clapped. You're adding pineapple, adding next position. It's not really working. It's keep pushing up. Managing risks is the key. Are you guys following? You have plan already now, chat? You have plan already? Like you're planning the trades every single day? You hop onto the chart, you have plan. You have plan already? Drop it in the chat. Already have playbook. Wow. Good job, man. Yeah, you start there. Playbook. Follow the playbook. So you create your own playbook or what? Plan B trading. Yeah. Oh, nice. Cool. Cool, bro. Playbook is the key, right? Playbook is the key. Absolutely, having a plan is essential for trading. I focus on identifying bias and trade FBG setup while scanning alongside you during your stream. Oh, nice. Nice. Apex trading. Apex, do you part of Flex community or just hop onto the stream? You just hop on because I would say, yeah, you call me coach, so I believe you're part of, Flex community. Okay. Cool. Where do you live, bro? Do you live here in Dubai or Philippines? Where? Oh, ETH 4-6. Wow, it's going to 5K now. Oh, you're from Norway. Okay, in Japan right now. Cool, man. Yeah, I'm a resident here in Dubai. Been here for 9 years. So we're gonna close. If this candle close bullish like this, yeah, we're gonna give it a shot here, gang. Gonna give it a shot here. But we wanna see big bodies here, right? Like this. So yeah, dear family. Yep, my family's here. Nice. Wow, that's what's up. Yeah. One minute and 41 seconds. Can be close. Big body here. But I only 2 years, coming 2 years in trading. So yeah. In stream, I believe like 7 months. I start in January on stream. Yeah, I like streaming, man. I like streaming. Forty seconds. Can we close? A little bit good body here. Bottom wick. See bottom wick. No. This is close with good body chat. Didn't close like this. Look at this 1 minute. If the 1 minute close bearish like this, yeah, we're probably gonna in on the rebreak of the low here. So you rebreak that, you're gonna melt. Do you do anything else for work? I don't. I'm not working. I do full time trading. Invest not yet. Not yet, man. Probably if you know if if I make like a lot of money in trading, yeah, I probably gonna invest. Keep up. Salute to you. Thank you, gang. So we have closure, but as you can see, the closure doesn't look good, right? Close below the range. So you need to understand, right? Understanding the candle, how it close. It close with a little bit of body. If this candle close, big body candle, yeah, I probably gonna give it a shot because the body will tell you the story, right? If the body getting small, there is a high chance that the selling is a lot lower. Okay, understanding the body of the candle. So yeah, practice it, learn how to read candles. So you're gonna be good learning candles. It's all about candles. You don't need indicator, you don't need EMA, you don't need Fibonacci for like where's the price gonna head. You just candles. Learning how to read candles. So oh nice. That was I'm pros doing. I have my own plumbing gas. Yeah, nah, good business, man. Good business in Australia. Here in Dubai, if you wanna do some business, there's a lot of procedure. You need trade license, whatever. Yeah, there's too many things you need to do. Chat, like the stream, gang. Can I see 20 likes here? Like the stream, subs to the channel, share it. Share the stream. Yeah, we pay with our visa. If this candle close doji bullish, gonna be nice. So you respect the range here, so it's good. Sell limit below the candle low. Come to Japan. Yeah, I need to have a visa in Japan. Hopefully this year or next year. and I wanna eat the ramen in the street because I always saw in the reels like the ramen in the street was looks amazing, looks delicious. It's like like pares in Philippines. Seven minutes for candle to close. We're gonna close bearish on the 30. Okay, we still have range to fill down. Okay, cool, nice. But we need to see this candle close back in the range so we can melt. We can melt. For sure, gang. Yeah. Chat, if you want to follow me on IG for more trading content, here's my IG. Follow me, and if you want to say hi, you can say hi. July and August doesn't, for me, price action is July and August looks 7 out of 10. See July, how many trades? Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 trades only on July. But June, yeah, June looks good. June, yeah, just July, just chop around here. We are mid in August already, so let's see. Tomorrow is PPI. Yeah, it's PPI tomorrow. $4 for candle to close. $34, $35 bip stops. 1 minute for candle to close. 1 minute. 35 pip stops. Oh, we're closing back in the range. It's gonna be nice. Top wick. Chat, sell limit on the rebreak of the low, okay? On the 15 here. Sell limit on the rebreak of the low. Let's see, you're gonna move down. Give me a second. Oh, move up. It move up. It move up, gang. So I'm gonna delete the sell limit. No good. We're gonna wait for a better entry here. Break the high. Okay, makes sense. W on buys. Wow. Good, good, good. For me, no buys here because the candles close, small body and didn't close above, so no buys. Right, no buys. Who took buys? Jason took buys. Who else got some buys here? 1 hour flip bullish. Oh, nice. Doji had the potential reversal, so I took it 30 pips. Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Potential reversal to the upside, huh? Yeah, funny price action. Doesn't look good. Yep. So, no bueno for me. No bueno. Nothing. Oh, keep pushing up. Cool, man. Volume to the top side. Chat, like the stream, gang. Like the stream. Subs to the channel. Support the channel. Can I see 20 likes in here? Shout out to 27 viewers right now. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. I haven't taken any trade. Yeah, we took trades on August 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades already. What is this? It's with you guys, right? Yeah. So London. Asha, good morning. How you doing? Yes, my lead people to bankruptcy. 29 viewers. Chat, like the stream, gang. Like the stream. We're moving up. We're moving up. Yeah, Nas is moving up too. Nas is moving up. Gold is moving up. choppy on the left. So we need to be aware on this range still. Come on, simply thumbs up. Yeah, just like the stream, man. Shout out to 30 viewers. Okay, we're moving up. We are moving. For our close bullish. Okay. No bueno, gang. What is this? If this candle close above, and then the next candle go back in the range, man, you know what will happen. We'll retest the low again. Mm, 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 mm. 58 pip range, 60 pip range. Chat, if you have any question, all right, drop it in the chat. Wow, massive volume. Bullish closure, 64 move, 64 pip move. Can you re-break the high? Oh, war shit. July inflation report about to be. Mm-hmm. Wow, man. Yes, yeah. This one, the war against Ukraine again in Russia. Chat. Make sure if you're trading, like if you're in the chart, you always look on the news too. Okay, why the price move? If there's like red folder like this, yeah, you know, currency always gold always there. Gold always move when the war is happening. So keep in mind. Crazy volume, man. See, look at that. Suddenly, volume will come, pops up. We're breaking out here, breaking out to the upside. 11 minutes per candle to close. So the 4 hour should close with bottom up top wick. Should close with top wick. If there's no top wick, it might hover around here or reverse. We're heading to the upside, so it's nice to look buys here if we're heading to the upside. Five minutes for candle to close. What's this liquidity grab again? Breaking the high, fail, leading close. Close above, small body. One hour close above. No, didn't close. We have levels here on price. Here. Right, if you want to close above, should close here. This is the levels that we're currently in, but you have levels 2 on the left. But the 4 close above, yeah. So as you can see, the 4 close above, and I believe, yeah, we can move up today. We can move up today. So yeah, there is a high chance that we can move up today. Let's see. Let's see. Because right now, if I want to take buy, I need to see closure above here. This range 3366 right now, and we cannot use the 4. I cannot use the 4. You know, I cannot use this. Where you gonna put your stops below here, 150 pips, right? So should be this range 3366 is good for buying up, and then we wait for structure to form, right? The breakout, then pull back, and then yeah, push up here. That's how we gonna do that. Waiting. If this 15 go back in the range, yeah, this nice for driving down. Retest the low again, because you have rejections here on price. Huge rejections. We just need to wait for candle to close back in the range. Oh, waiting, huh, chat? Waiting is the name of the game, man. I love to wait. I'm expecting, yep, the 4-hour bottom wick. 4-hour bottom wick. Minimum here. Because you have steeper bottom wick here on price. So you need to expect that 4-hour bottom wick. Damn, I'm hungry, man. Oh. Go eat something, yeah. So, chat, we're gonna wait for this candle 15, okay, to close below. So, give me a second. All right, 2 minutes, chat. We're gonna have closure below, huh? It's gonna be nice. Close below the range. That would be amazing. Let's eat, gang. Let's eat. Let's eat. Re-break the low there. Okay, nice. Now can we close below? One minute and 30 seconds. Can we close below? We need bottom wick. We need bottom wick. Don't do it like that, chat. Don't do it like that, gold. We need bottom wick. Ooh, 16 seconds. Can we close below? Can we close? No closure. No closure, chat. No closure. Chat. So no closure here. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close again below, and probably gonna take that sell. But right now, I'm gonna call it the stream, chat. Gonna see you guys tomorrow. So no buenos on stream. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna have some trades, but we try, right? We try. We are patients. We're waiting for candles to close, but didn't close below. So yeah, man. Gonna see you guys tomorrow, gang. So yeah, chat. If you're gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss. So yeah. See you, gang. Love and wisdom. See you all, chat. And peace out. I'm out here. See you tomorrow, chat. Peace.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist when I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe and hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible.